What is the grammar? Grammar is the rule of the language governing the sounds, words, sentences, and other elements as well as their combination and interpretation. Actually, grammar is a system of a language. People sometimes describe grammar as a rule of a language, but in fact, no language has rules. In case of English grammar, it is the set of structural rules of the English language. This includes the structure of words, phrases, clauses, sentences, and the whole text. So let's have a look with a quick way what is the grammar, what is the fundamental behind the grammar, and what is the problem of the grammar. So you are watching me on my YouTube channel Gopi English Classes. Let's get started. So basically grammar comes from Greek language and it was called grammatiki technique, which means art of letters. For example, art of writing letters with a sequence or writing something correct. There are a lot of things that are troubling for us, like what is grammar, the types of the grammar, the problem behind the grammar, what instructors need to know about the grammar, and the last one is problematic structure and grammatical organization. हम किसी भी लैंग्वेज को सीख सकते हैं, लेकिन हम टूटी फूटी सीखेंगे और अपने इसी लैंग्वेज को बोलने में भी अप्लाई करेंगे। लोग इसे समझ तो सकते हैं, लेकिन हम उसे प्रॉपरली नहीं बोल पाएंगे। आप अपने इसी टूटी फूटी लैंग्वेज से लोगों को तो समझा सकते हैं, दैट्स फाइन, but you will not be able to get a proper command on a particular language without knowing any language grammar. Apart from this grammar, first question arises in our mind is that how many alphabets are there in the English grammar? I will correct this question apart from my video and you will get very well soon. So, English grammar में कितने alphabets होते हैं? Now you will guess what? You will say 26 alphabets are there in the English grammar. And your answer is wrong. And you will say how? You will know to shock about that. How is that possible? English grammar में 26 alphabets नहीं होते हैं. Why? I have a reason. जब हम English alphabet पढ़ते हैं या फिर A से लेकर Z तक की सीरीज पढ़ते हैं, यानी कि A, B, C, D से लेकर Z तक के इंडिविजुअल्स को हम लेटर्स बोलेंगे, ना कि अल्फ़ाबेट्स। सो आंसर क्या हुआ? 26 letters are there in the English grammar और 26 letters are there in the English alphabet. अगर हम एक इक्वेशन के तौर पर देखें तो क्या हुआ? English grammar और English alphabet is equal to 26 letters, not 26 alphabets. And last but not the least, I'll start the lesson series of the grammar for basic grammar to the advanced, like clause, pronouns, nouns, verbs, and up to the direct to indirect speech, and so on. So in this video, that's all about the grammar. If you want to know about more for the grammar description, then comment under this video. I'll share one article regarding the grammar. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then share all those students who actually want to learn English grammar and improve to speaking skills with confidently. Till then, I'll be back here with my next upcoming video series. Till then, take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye-bye.